On this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to use SUM and SUMIF. So I want to work with this table on the screen. As you can see, we have the money for January, for February, and March. So I'm going to calculate the sum and SUMIF. Now talking about sum has to do with addition plus adding together. So how do I do that? Click your equal to sign, type your sum, click and drag and close your bracket. Click your enter key. Now you can click on this to drag it to the end, or you do it one after the other. Now for SUMIF, using if, SUMIF is a conditional statement. It simply means there is a particular condition or criteria it must meet for it to sum up the figures. Now I'm going to be using an example. Now for instance, say equal to SUMIF then the first argument says range. You highlight the range. Now you put your comma. The next thing is the criteria, which criteria it must meet before it can sum or before you can add them together. Now I'll put my colon, put my quotation sign. It must be greater than or equal to 3,000. So that's to say any amount that is not up to 3,000 is not going to add it. It must be 3,000 and above before you can sum it. Now I want to hit my enter key. We have 8,018 naira. That's to say it did not sum up this one, this 2,000. Now click and drag it down. Same is applied to this one. Did not sum up this one. Now I only sum up this, and this, which is 5,700 plus 9,000 to give us 14,700. Now when we check the last row, this is the last row. We have 1,000, which is not up to 3,000. We only this and this is up to 3,000. So this is how to use SUM and SUMIF.